Hello and welcome to Health Watch Daily Channel. Today, we're going to talk about building muscle with calisthenics. Calisthenics is a type of exercise that uses your own body weight as resistance, making it a great way to build strength and muscle mass. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, calisthenics is a versatile and effective workout that can help you achieve your muscle building goals. Now, let's get started with how you can build muscle with calisthenics. Number 1. Calisthenics is a type of physical activity that has been around for centuries and is based on the simple principle of using your own body weight as resistance. The exercises are designed to improve strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination. Calisthenics can be performed anywhere and requires no special equipment, making it a convenient and cost-effective way to build muscle and get in shape. The exercises can be adapted to different fitness levels and can be modified to target specific muscle groups. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges are some of the most common calisthenics exercises. Push-ups work the chest, triceps, and shoulders, while pull-ups target the back, biceps, and shoulders. Squats and lunges are great for working the legs and glutes. These exercises can be performed with modifications, making them suitable for people of all fitness levels. For example, push-ups can be performed on the knees instead of the toes, while pull-ups can be assisted by a band. Calisthenics provides a full-body workout that is challenging and effective. By using your own body weight as resistance, you will build strength and muscle mass in a natural way. Additionally, the exercises are low impact and easy on the joints, making them a great option for people with joint pain or arthritis. Number 2. Progressive overload. To build muscle with calisthenics, it's important to follow the principle of progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the difficulty of your exercises over time by using more reps, sets, or adding weight to your movements. For instance, you can start with 3 sets of 8 push-ups and gradually increase the number of sets and reps as your strength improves. You can also add resistance, such as wearing a weighted vest, to make the exercise more challenging. The key is to keep pushing yourself and gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts to continue building muscle. Progressive overload is an effective way to target specific muscle groups and see real results over time. Number 3. Targeting specific muscle groups. To build specific muscle groups with calisthenics, you'll want to focus on exercises that target those areas. For example, push-ups target your chest and triceps, while squats target your quads and glutes. Make sure to include a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups for a well-rounded workout. It's important to remember that while a single exercise may target a specific muscle group, it also works several other muscles as well. For instance, push-ups not only target your chest and triceps, but also your shoulders, abs, and lower back muscles. Incorporating a variety of exercises and targeting different muscle groups in each workout can ensure that you build a balanced and proportionate physique. It's also important to switch up your exercises regularly to avoid hitting plateaus and to continue challenging your muscles. Additionally, you can use variations of exercises, such as incline push-ups for more emphasis on your chest or diamond push-ups for greater tricep activation. A well-designed calisthenics routine, which targets different muscle groups and includes a mix of compound and isolation exercises, can provide an effective workout for building strength and muscle mass. Number 4. Nutrition. Along with exercise, nutrition is key to building muscle. Make sure to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to fuel your workouts and support muscle growth. Nutrition plays a critical role in muscle building, so it's important to focus on the right nutrients. Aim to include a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in your diet, as these nutrients provide the energy and building blocks necessary for muscle growth. To build muscle, aim to consume at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. Healthy protein sources include chicken, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes. Fats also play a crucial role, as they help regulate hormones and support recovery, so be sure to include healthy sources of fat such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil in your diet. Finally, carbohydrates provide the energy needed to fuel intense workouts and support muscle growth, so make sure to include plenty of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Remember to hydrate adequately, as water is critical for recovery and overall health. Number 5. Consistency and patience. Building muscle with calisthenics requires consistency and patience. Stick to a regular workout routine and give yourself time to see progress. It takes time and effort to build muscle, but the results are worth it. It's important to remember that building muscle with calisthenics is not an overnight process. You won't see significant results after just a few sessions. It takes consistent effort over time to see changes in your muscle mass and strength. Make sure to stick to your workout routine, even on days when you don't feel motivated. Remember, progress is made over time, so be patient and don't give up if you don't see results right away. Also, make sure to listen to your body and give it enough time to rest and recover between workouts. This will help prevent injury and ensure that your muscles are ready to perform at their best during each workout. Building muscle with calisthenics is a long-term commitment, but the results are well worth the effort. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.